Okay, we're going to look at FDTs. They are a frequency distribution table. We're not worried about dot plots. We're going to do this. Present the data in a frequency table, and then we're going to add to it a histogram. Maybe we even do a frequency polygon. They're pretty easy. Okay, so the first thing is we've got to put all of this data, all of these numbers into a table. What I'm looking for is the smallest number. There's a 1, and the biggest number, there's a 9. So I've got to get from 1 to 9. So I think I'm going to start at 1, 2, 3, 4. Only just fit, there we go. And I'm guessing you can use a ruler. This is my data, this is my frequency, and we're going to do a tally. So we're going to go across and put this 4 as a tally against the 4. Then we're going to cross it out. Then we're going to put the 6 and the 8. In the test, you're going to do this in pencil, so you can rub it out and check it. Because I just made a mistake. That was a 9. Then we've got a 1, 3, oh my gosh. 5, 6, 4. Does that 4 work? It's a bit tedious, isn't it? Seven, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 3, there's another 5. Okay. So we fill in the frequency from our tally. And that's a frequency table. Done. How easy is that? What we can do is we can get a calculator and we can total that up. 1 and 1 is 2, 6, 9, 14, 20, 25, 27. There's 30 numbers, so we can actually go back because we've got a pencil and rub that out and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 numbers. That's a check that we actually haven't missed or haven't skipped a number. Okay, so that's our frequency table. Done. It can be a bit neater if you've got a ruler, clearly. Okay, I'll make that a little bit smaller. Now we're going to do a histogram. You can see here that our bins of our histogram are going to be that long. So our biggest number there is a 6. So when I'm looking at my scale, I've got to get to a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to go along here. And this is my data. And this is my frequency. So we'll label it. What was this? Following data sets, scores of a class. So this is, let's call it math scores. Maths. We need 9 bins because there's 9 numbers. So you're going to get a ruler. 1, 2, 3. So that's the number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. you can see the 1 goes up 1. The 2 goes up 1. The 3 goes up to 4. So I've got to go all the way to 4. You can see a histogram does not have gaps in between the bins. 4 is going up to 3. Well, that's annoying. 2, 3. 5 is going to 5. Two, 3. Clearly, I'm not doing well in my exam, am I? I'm going to lose a mark for not having those bin widths exactly the same. I'm sure it's easy with a pen and pencil and paper and a ruler. So please make sure you give all of those bins the right width. With your frequency polygon, we're going to find the midpoint of all of those bins, all the midpoints, the midpoint of the first gap and the last gap, and we're going to join them with a straight line. That's our frequency polygon. Okay, so frequency distribution table. We're going to get our numbers, put them into a table using a tally. We are going to check that we've got all the numbers and haven't missed a number. Then as soon as we get to a frequency, a histogram, we've just got to look at our numbers, prepare our bins, draw it up, be accurate, use a ruler. Bob's your uncle. Have fun.